Have you ever had the feeling of forgetting something at home while you go to the park? Or when your kids ask, Mum and Dad, where's the restroom? And there's none in sight? Well, not to worry. At number 13 Bentley Drive in Deer Park, with park-facing views, nothing is to worry about. The moment you walk in, you're invited by a wide hallway that leads to the master bedroom, which also has fly screens on every window. You've got shades, curtains, also a wraparound walk-in wardrobe, which leads to the master ensuite, which has a double vanity and a double shower to accommodate. You've also got the perfect internal access from the garage, plenty of closet spaces. You've got a study nook, stone bench tops in the kitchen. You've got a double sink, stainless steel appliances, massive fridge space, a dishwasher, everything you need for a perfect cooking lifestyle. With all that flowing to the dining and open living area, like everything with floorboards, downlights, refrigerated cooling and refrigerated heating as well. Which then leads to 2 great sized bedrooms and a central bathroom to accommodate. One of the main things I look for is indoor and outdoor feel. With a sliding door that leads to the backyard, this definitely ticks the box. As you can see, a perfectly maintained garden, low maintenance, a full-size decking area, and most importantly, a clear view from the internal of the house. Well, there it is, number 13 Bentley Drive in Deer Park. My name is Eddy, and if you feel this property is the one for you, I'd like to see you and your family at the next open for inspection.